Good afternoon, dear students. In English grammar, noun is classified on the basis of various groups. So today, we are going to learn noun classification based on gender. What is gender? The gender of a noun indicates whether a person or animal we are referring to is a male or a female. There are four kinds of noun gender. They are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. Let us understand all this in detail. Let's take the first gender, masculine gender. A noun which denotes or refer a male person or an animal is known as masculine gender. Example: boy, brother, father, husband, uncle, wizard, king, son, etc. All this tell us about the he gender, so we consider them as masculine gender. Feminine gender. A noun which denotes a female person or an animal is known as feminine gender. Example: girl, sister, mother, wife, aunt, witch, queen, daughter, etc. All these tell us about the she gender, so we consider them as feminine gender. Now let us see the third gender, that is common gender. A noun which denotes or refer a both male and female person or an animal is known as common gender. Example: parents, driver, teacher, student, servant, thief, person, enemy, friend, etc. These people can be either male or female, so we always consider them as common gender. Now let's go to the fourth gender, the neuter gender. A noun which denotes neither male nor female person or an animal is known as neuter gender. Neuter gender is used for non-living or inanimate objects. Example: pen, knife, eraser, table, chair, pencil, lamp, radio, album, photograph, car, etc. Children, one thing you need to know is that some nouns of the common and neuter gender do not change in male and female gender. Let us see some examples of this. The masculine of child and the feminine of child will be the same word. Student will be student. Teacher, teacher. Baby, baby. Clown, clown. Bird, bird. And friend, friend. Let us understand this in more detail with the examples shown in this image. Cock, hen. Bull, cow. Dog, bitch. Prince, princess. Bride, bridegroom. Witch, wizard. Nun, monk. Brother, sister. Now let us do some activity. Look at these words given here. I will read out the words for you. Nephew, bride, potato, artist, bull, singer, aunt, cousin, emperor, friend, and pillow. Now over here, you have to place these words in their correct gender. You need to place them in the proper group. So let us see the correct answers. Nephew is the masculine gender. Bride is the feminine gender. Now artist can be either male or female, so it will come under common gender. Potato is a non-living thing, so it comes under neuter gender. Then bull and emperor comes under masculine gender. Aunt is feminine gender. Singer, cousin, friend can be both male or female. Therefore, they come under common gender. And pillow is a non-living thing, and therefore you write it under neuter gender. Now let us solve some more exercise. Rewrite the following sentences changing the underlined nouns from masculine to feminine. The first sentence is, the king loved the prince very much. Over here the underlined words are prince and king. Now here the king is the masculine gender. So we will change it into feminine gender. That will give us the answer queen. Similarly, the feminine gender of prince is princess. So we get the answer as the queen loved the princess very much. Next sentence is, the bridegroom was an old man. And the underlined words are bridegroom and man. In this sentence, we will change bridegroom into bride and man into woman. So we get the sentence as, the bride was an old woman. Next sentence is, my brother knows your husband. The underlined words are brother and husband. Now in this sentence, we change brother into sister and husband into wife. Now you get the correct answer as, my sister knows your wife. The next sentence is, my uncle is a good host. The underlined words are uncle and host. So in this sentence, we change uncle into aunt and host into hostess. And your answer is, my aunt is a good hostess. Then the fifth one. The sentence is, the boy is jumping. Now over here, in this sentence, we change the masculine gender boy into feminine gender girl. So your answer is, the girl is jumping. Next question. The next sentence is, my nephew lives in Mumbai. Here the word nephew is the masculine gender. So we change into feminine gender niece, and we write it as, my niece lives in Mumbai. Now let us solve one more exercise. Let's change the following sentences by changing the gender of the underlined words. Here is the first sentence. The queen was very kind to the people. Now, we have to change the gender and write the sentence again. Now, in the sentence, the queen was very kind to the people. The word queen is underlined. Over here, so the masculine form of queen is king. So we change queen into king and write the sentence again as, the king was very kind to the people. Now let us see the second example. The mother went out with the children. Now we have to change the gender of the word mother, and therefore see children what I have written there. Mother is the feminine gender, and when we change into masculine gender, we write as father. So the answer is, the father went out with the children. Let's see one more example. The prince is good at horse riding. Over here we change the gender of the word prince into princess and write the sentence again as, the princess is good at horse riding. Let us see the last example. The peahen is a proud bird. So the word peahen will change into peacock when we change its gender, and therefore your answer will be the peacock is a proud bird. I hope you have understood the lesson gender very well. So students, today we have learnt about different genders, and this lesson teaches you an important thing, and that is the gender equality. Now what do you mean by this? Yes, my dear students, always respect the people around you. May they be a male or a female gender. For example, children, when you're in the class, you sometimes fight with each other for small and silly things. It is wrong. Do not fight. You must learn to share things with one another. You must help one another in studies. And also must not tease your classmates or your friends. You must treat everyone equal, be it a boy or a girl, and respect each other. Okay, children? Thank you for watching the video and have a great day ahead. Thank you.